Oppo A2 Pro 5G just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate, curved AMOLED display, superb in design, mid-segment 5G processor, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Oppo A2 Pro 5G phone. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So this is the Oppo A2 Pro 5G's white colored box. We can open the lid of the box. The first thing you will find is clear case inside this cardboard box. This is the Oppo A2 Pro 5G phone. After removing the plastic wrap from the phone, you will see that it comes in a desert brown color variant. Oppo has updated its A series product line by launching the Oppo A2 Pro, which is the updated version of the Oppo A2. Now let's see what special feature this phone has. In it, the Oppo A2 Pro presents several noticeable changes in its appearance compared to the A series. It comes in a desert brown color variant with a leather back, and there is two additional color options available, black and pink. The desert brown variant with its leather back has a thickness of around 8 mm and weight is approximately 185 grams. When you look at the front of the phone, you will notice a central punch hole for the selfie, and the phone features a slim bezels and a relatively thin chin. The Oppo A2 Pro offers a visually uniform appearance of all four sides, and it features a 3D hyperboloid design. The middle frame comes with the metallic textures, and the camera module has a rounded edges. The phone's back also exudes a premium feel with its texture. Thanks to the 3D hyperboloid design, it feels relatively thin and premium when held in the hand. Additionally, the Oppo A2 Pro includes the under-the-display fingerprint sensor for biometric security. The unlocking speed experience isn't too bad, and the phone's four corners are in the diamond shape with rounded corners. It can resist daily folds well, providing a good durability. Talking about the display of the Oppo A2 Pro, it boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Being a 10-bit display, it offers a vibrant colors. The maximum brightness level goes up to 800 nits, and it can reach peak brightness of 950 nits. Additionally, it features a 2160Hz PWM dimming feature, which is beneficial for reducing the potential eye strain and damage. When it comes to the battery of the Oppo A2 Pro, it boasts a 5000 mAh battery with an impressive 1600 battery charging cycle. Even after this 1600 cycle, the battery health remains at around 80%. If you calculate it based on usage, one charge per day, this phone's battery will easily last beyond 4 years. You can witness its battery performance in tests, as even after 2 hours of medium to heavy use and 1 hour of gaming, the battery still has more than 50% remaining. The phone utilizes Oppo's flash charge technology for efficient charging. Absolutely, the Oppo A2 Pro offers impressive charging capabilities with its 67-watt wired charging support. It can charge the battery from 0 to around 54% in just about 20 minutes, and a full 100% charge takes approximately 48 minutes. This rapid charging speed is a great feature. Now let's talk about the performance of the Oppo A2 Pro. It is equipped with the Dimensity 7050 octa-core 5G processor, manufactured using the 6nm fabrication process. The super-core within its processor can achieve a maximum clock speed of 2.6 GHz, ensuring solid performance for various tasks and applications. Additionally, the Oppo A2 Pro offers a memory fusion feature, which allows you to extend the RAM up to 12 GB. So if you opt for the 12 GB RAM variant, you can effectively have up to 24 GB of RAM, enabling you to run multiple apps simultaneously with ease. This ensures a smooth overall experience on the phone. For a design perspective, the phone exudes a premium feel, and when you look at the camera module on the back, it might appear to have a 4-camera sensor, but it actually features 2 cameras. The primary camera is a 64-megapixel main camera, and this is a secondary 2-megapixel depth camera for capturing portrait shots. You can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Speaking of the price, the base variant starts at around 1799 Chinese yuan in China, roughly 200 UK pound in UK and 246 US dollars. In conclusion, the Oppo A2 Pro impresses with its superb design, offering a flagship level premium look. The phone's frame features a premium metallic design, and it boasts a slim bezels on the display. The 3D hyperboloid design adds to its appeal. However, it's worth noting that the phone's performance is average and its camera capability are also average. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.